Hi, I'm Tony Krummesk. This is another easy two-chord beginner's song, Pistol Packing Mama. Oh, lay that pistol down, babe, lay that pistol down. A pistol packing mama, lay that pistol down. Drinking beer in a cabaret, I was having fun, until one night she caught me right, and now I'm on the run. Oh, lay that pistol down, babe, lay that pistol down. The pistol packing mama, lay that pistol down. Now she just kicked my windshield and hit me on the head. She cursed and cried and said I'd lied and wished that I was dead. Oh, lay that pistol down, babe, lay that pistol down. A pistol packing mama, lay that pistol down. Drinking beer in a cabaret and dancing with a blonde, until one night she shut out the light and bang! That blonde was gone. Oh, lay that pistol down, babe, lay that pistol down. A pistol packing mama, lay that pistol down. Now I'll see you every night, babe, I'll woo you every day. I'll be your regular daddy if you'll put that gun away. Now lay that pistol down, babe, lay that pistol down. A pistol packing mama, lay that pistol down. Now, I went home this morning, the talk was kicking four. Gun in her hand, she said, "You're my man, but I don't need you anymore." Oh, lay that pistol down, baby, lay that pistol down. A pistol packing mama, lay that pistol down. A Pistol Packing Mama is a hillbilly or a honky-tonk song. It was written by Al Dexter and recorded by him in 1942 when World War I was at its height. It quickly became a nationwide sensation. It was the first country song to stop the Billboard Popular Music chart and the first hillbilly song to reach number one in the record best-selling retail records chart. It went 16 weeks in the top 20, selling over 3 million records, and at the top for a further 14 weeks with Bing Crosby and Andrew Sisters version. It was another unheard of achievement for a hillbilly song. It's also been recorded by Willie Nelson, Gene Vincent and others, and it was used in the 1943 film Pistol Packing Mama, starring Ruth Terry and Robert Livingston. And best of all, it's only got two chords, and those two chords are an F chord and a C7 chord. Very easy. And the strumming pattern, I've just gone across with the thumb, across all thing, lay that pistol down. Or sometimes going across with the floppy fingers, and sometimes going up with the upstroke. It's up to you. But that's all you really need to do. You may notice, incidentally, the tune is the same as the one Boil That Cabbage Down, which I've done. I'll leave a link to that in the comments box, and also a link to the Bing Crosby version with the Andrew Sisters, which is quite an entertaining one. Anyway, whatever you do and however you do it, have fun.